చేశారు ఆయన. ఓకే.
అందరూ ఫస్ట్ మ్యూట్లో నుంచి బయటికి రండి. ఒక 2 minutes మీతో ఇంటరాక్షన్, తర్వాత ఫాస్ట్గా చెప్పేసుకుందాం.
వెరీ ఇంటెలిజెంట్ గై, మంచి సబ్జెక్ట్ ఉన్న పర్సన్ అనమాట. ఈయన టాప్ మోస్ట్ ఎంఎన్సీలో వర్క్ చేసిన ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉన్న పర్సన్ అనమాట ఆయన. సో అందువల్ల మీకు ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ చేయడం జరిగింది. మీకు డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా, మీకు ఏదైనా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కావాలన్నా సార్ని బాగా వాడుకోండి ఈరోజు. ఓకే. అలాగే ఏపీపీ మొత్తం చెప్తారు సార్. ఏపీపీ బాగా చెప్తారు ఆయన, నేనే చెప్పగలను. ఆయన చెప్పిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ మీకు డౌట్స్ ఉంటే తెలుగులోనే చెప్తాను. వినయ్ గారు ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్తారు. ఇంగ్లీష్ ఆర్ తెలుగు ఆయన ఇష్టం. మీరు డౌట్ ఏదైనా ఉంటే కనుక మళ్ళీ నేను కన్ఫర్మ్ చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా? కంటిన్యూ. యూ కెన్ క్యారీ ఆన్ సార్.
So first of all, good evening to each and everyone. So hope all are doing well. So if you have any queries regarding with jobs or whatever it may be, you can ask me. So I will definitely answer those questions. So we will fix up one time regarding with that. So we will fix 6 minutes. So and after that we will go to the automatic payment program consultations and all. So you can talk to me, no problem. Matladochu. Queries, doubts, whatever it may be. So let me clarify one thing. So don't hesitate to ask each and every question. You are you are going to be a real-time consultant. So if you are on the mute, so you will not be successful in any consultant positions. So you should try to speak. Whatever you have the questions, you can ask me.
Hi sir, my name is Venkat.
Yeah, Venkat, how are you?
Sir, నేను బీకామ్ కంప్లీటెడ్ అండ్ సిఏ ఇంటర్ కంప్లీటెడ్ ప్లస్ ఆర్టికల్షిప్ అయిపోయింది సార్. నేను సిఏ ఫైనల్కి ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నాను. సార్ ఇది సిఏ ఇంటర్ నాకు ఎస్ఏపి ఫికోలో ఏమన్నా యూజ్ అవుతుందా సార్?
Yeah, definitely it will be useful for that. That one is a posting period variance. So in the posting periods variance, we have different types of periods, like 1st to 12 and 13 to 16 periods are there. So what CA will do is, they will come to any company and they will analyze the data and they will do the auditing, right? You know everything regarding with that. Okay, if you are a functional consultant with the CA, definitely you will give that much of capable work to the client.
సార్ కానీ నేను సిఏ ఫైనల్ది నాది క్వాలిఫై అవ్వలేదు సార్, ఓన్లీ సిఏ ఇంటరే క్వాలిఫైడ్.
Yeah, that's not a problem. So you have the inter, right?
Yes,
and
sir.
You are learning SAP.
Yes, sir.
So when you go to the any company with these qualifications, definitely you will be a successful position in that.
Okay, sir. కానీ 2017
So don't compare. Yeah, it's not a problem. Don't compare CA with SAP. SAP is totally different. But so here we have accounts. So we have debit and credit and assets and automatic payment program, vendors, down payments, all are related to the particular accounts only, right? So we are matching those accounts with the SAP, so some software system. So you are not the person who are going to involve in the particular SAP FICO implementations and supports or rollout projects. So some of the consultants will be there. That is consultant, SD consultants and ABAP consultants. So no issues regarding with that. 2017 లో అయినా 2016 లో అయినా ఏ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ అయినా సరే మీరు ఒక ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పెట్టుకొని, సో యూ విల్ గెట్ ఇన్ టు దట్.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
యా షూర్. ఇంకేమైనా క్వైరీస్?
Anyone can ask any doubt or question you can ask with Mr. Vinay Chaudhary. He can give them more information regarding SAP, FICO and anything. If you have any doubts, you can contact him. It is better. Okay. తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఆయన మనకు దొరకరు, అందుకని చెప్తున్నాను. యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ ఎనీ డౌట్.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yeah, sure. Good evening.
Sir, my name is S. Srinivas.
Yes, Srinivas.
At present, I'm working as a lecturer in Commerce Department, sir. My qualification is MCom and MBA.
Okay.
Actually, my teaching experience is above 15 years.
Oh, very good.
నేను ఇప్పుడు అంటే డొమైన్ చేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నా సార్, డ్యూ టు కరోనా పాండమిక్ సిచ్యుయేషన్ టీచింగ్ కొంత ఎఫెక్ట్ అనిపించట్లేదు.
ఓకే.
ఇప్పుడు ఎలా ఉంటుంది సార్, అంటే యాక్చువల్గా చేంజ్ చేసుకోవడానికి పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంటుందా, లేకుంటే ఏమైనా స్ట్రగుల్ ఫేస్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుందా?
యా, పాసిబిలిటీ అనేది మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఒక 40 అంటే ఒక 30 years అతనైనా 40 years అతనైనా పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉంటాయి. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ద రైట్ డాక్యుమెంట్స్, ఇఫ్ వీ హ్యావ్ ద రైట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఆన్ ది పర్టికులర్ ఫీల్డ్ దట్ యు ఆర్ వర్కింగ్, so definitely they will consider your field. At the same time, whatever you are learning in the SAP, so they will ask those questions on the SAP only. So they will not going to ask some of the questions on your previous experience. Okay. So whatever the
age is not a criteria, sir, for especially joining in SAP.
Yeah, joining. So that is not a mandatory, I think.
Okay, sir.
హలో.
Yeah, hello.
సార్, ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్రాక్ చేయాలంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏ టాపిక్ గ్రిప్ లో ఉంచుకోవాలి సార్?
So when you have joined in this in these classes, so Amarnath sir has shared one material, that is total SAP FICO material, right?
Okay.
So please go through those questions that are I think 76 questions.
Okay.
Okay, so they will going to ask those questions in this material only. From this material only. So and after that, if they have any requirement, or if they have any enhancements, or if they want any enhancements work consultants, so they will going to ask particular questions on the enhancements or developments. So otherwise they will going to ask each and every questions on the particular questions, like automatic payment program, down payments, what we say P2P cycle, and ST sales and distributions. The next one is down payments, recurring entries, asset under constructions, what is asset flow, and what is the settlement of asset. So those questions will be going to ask in the interview. Okay.
Hi sir, I have a doubt, sir. So sir, now we are doing some configuration. So real time or same configurations channel, sir? Like
No. So see one thing here. Configurations and datas are totally same for the ECC, for the ECC demo also, for the ECC real time also, for SAP S/4HANA also. All configurations are same, but options will be different. So when you learn these options in a different manner, definitely you will be in a comfortable position in a organization. Okay, if you don't learn these particular things, like different options in S/4HANA, different options in ECC, so then you will going to face some issues with the particular work. Okay, so don't worry regarding with the whether we configurations are same in the ECC or S/4HANA or demo servers. Configurations all are same in every access, or real-time access or demo access. Okay, don't worry regarding with that.
okay, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Hi, sir. I am Naresh.
Yeah. Sure, Naresh. How are you?
Sir, fine, sir. How are you, sir?
బాగున్నాను, చెప్పండి.
ఇది FI కన్సల్టెంట్ వర్క్ స్కోప్ ఏముంటుంది, ఏమేమి ఏరియాస్ ఉంటాయి? ఓన్లీ FI.
Okay. So presently I am working on the rollout project. So we are migrating the data from the JD adverts to the SAP ECC. So SAP ECC is nothing but in SAP language, so we are using TCC toolkit. So TCC toolkit is nothing but the SAP ECC. So as I said that, so we need to gather the information from the JD, and we need to cope up with the build team. Then build team will give the construction sheet to the each and every function consultant, and then after, so what we will do is we will do the preload validation. I mean, how many posting keys are there? I mean, how many document text tests are there? Item text tests are there? And how many local currencies are there? How many document currencies are there? So we need to validate with construction file, invalid file, valid file, and preload file. So when you do these validations with the particular construction sheets and preload files also, definitely, I mean, after the completion of the validation, that will be go to the RDC team. So what our RDC team will do is, so they will validate the data. I mean, whatever the data in the JD outputs, and they will validate that data into the SAP. And after that, once they are confirmed with each and everything, and they will move to the some BU team post-load validation. And after that, designing team, I mean my team, designing team will do the preload validation. And after that, it will go to the go live. In the go live, unit test will be there, unit acceptance test will be there, user acceptance, we can call it as a user acceptance will be there. So these validations are very much important for the migration project, I mean rollout project. So implementation project is different and the support project is different, right? So after the rollout project, implementation will be done. After the implementation project, support will be given. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, in support project, what is L1, L2, L3 tickets?
So it is not a L1, L2, L3. It's a priorities tickets. So P1, P2, P3. So when you suppose you are a end user consultant. Okay, you're a end user. Okay. I'm a consultant. Okay, so you are uploading or you are posting some of the big invoices regarding the particular vendor. So you are facing one issue, that is terms of payment. Terms of payments are not picking in the SAP. Okay, user manual. Okay. So what you will do is, this is a priority one ticket. So I need this one as much as possible. So by end of the today only, so I need to solve this issue. So you will say like that in the mail, right?
Okay. So end user will decide that this is P1, P2, P3 tickets.
Yeah, end user will decide. Why? Because so you are posting that much of invoices for the particular customer or particular vendor. Okay.
Okay.
So you need to update that one. Okay. Suppose I will give you a basic example. I mean, after the January month, you need to get the salary from your company, payroll company, right?
Okay.
So on the February 1st, you are not getting that salary. Why? Because so some of the postings are not entered in the end user manual. Okay. Okay. So you need that amount by the end of the February 5th. So what you will do is, so you will, you will send a one mail to the end user. What they will do, they will put a pressure on the functional consultant only. Okay, if they solve that issue, you will get that salary by the end of the February 5th. Okay. So this is the P1 tickets, and P2 tickets, P3 tickets are not much important. So those are, so still I am not working on the supporting projects. I am not aware of that one, but I know the process, how to resolve the ticket.
Sir, it is the responsibility of the functional consultant after at the end of the year, they will transfer the accounts from general to another financial. It is also the responsibility of financial consultant.
How can we say that it is a, responsible for the functional consultant? Functional consultant is the consultant who gives the solution. Okay.
Okay. So and it is not the responsibility of financial consultant. It is not the
responsible for the financial consultant. So I mean, end user, above the end user, who will be there? Manager will be there.
Okay.
Okay. Manager is the highest responsible for the end user manual only. So functional consultant, so they will give only
solutions to
solutions and suggestions for the end user.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. If they want any changes, so they need to cope up with the, some production team and quality team also.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
If they want, exact, real solution. Yeah, sure. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Shall we start automatic payment program? Are you all interested?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Please say yes. So I'm very much tied up with those calls. and I am giving that much of capable voice to you. Why? Because so you will understand after this one. Okay, so who is going to share that screen?
ఎవరు షేర్ చేస్తే ఈవినింగ్ టైం ఎవరు? అనిల్ యాదవ్ గారు కదా, మీరు చేయండి అనిల్ గారు.
So all people are comfortable with English or Telugu? ఇప్పుడే చెప్పండి, నేను మీ ఇష్టం. తెలుగులో చెప్పాలంటే తెలుగు చెప్తాను, ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్పాలంటే ఇంగ్లీష్. Your choice only. If you want in English, I will. If you want in Telugu, I will.
Vinay garu, if you don't mind, you can continue on English, sir. That is better. Why? Because I'm explaining each and everything on Telugu, na. So
okay, first I will do one thing. So I will explain in English. So you can explain in Telugu. So that will be fine, right?
నేను తర్వాత చెప్తానండి, మీరు ఇంగ్లీష్ లో చెప్పండి. ఇంగ్లీష్ అనేది ఓకేనండి, చెప్పండి, మీరు కన్ఫర్మ్ చేయండి.
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే సార్, ఓకే సార్,
ఓకే.
ఇంగ్లీష్ ఓకే అండి సార్ మన వాళ్ళకి. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు వినయ్ గారు మాట్లాడారు, ఆ సినారియో అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇది ఒక వీడియో కింద తీసుకుందాం సార్ ఇంతవరకు. అనిల్ గారు ఇది కట్ చేసి మళ్ళీ రికార్డింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. ఇది ఒక వీడియో కింద ఉంటుంది మనకి, 2 వీడియోస్ సపరేట్ ఉంటాయి.